Hi, it's Sam from Intrinsic Dev. In this video I want to take you through our Control4 driver for the Artcoustic CPH-ATiB active subwoofer. Once you've downloaded the driver from the website, head over to Composer, go to the Driver tab, go to Add or Update Driver, find the driver you downloaded. It should be a .c4z file. The driver will add to Composer. Make sure you're in the System Design section of Composer, and then go over to the Search tab at the top right. Search for Artcoustic, and you should find the Intrinsic Dev Artcoustic CPH-ATiB driver. Double click that to install it. This is an RS-232 based driver, so it will not have any IP address to be entered. After a few seconds, the driver automatically licenses itself from our website. In order to make the RS-232 connection, and indeed the other connections needed for the driver, head down to the connection section of Control4. Go to the Artcoustic driver, and then if you scroll down, you find that there's a serial RS-232 connection which needs to be linked to one of the serial ports on your controller. To physically do this, you'll need a straight through stereo 3.5mm cable. A standard audio headphone cable has worked perfectly for us in testing, but it is just a straight through cable. Once you've connected the serial, go on ahead and connect up your endpoints for the room and any inputs you may have, and that should be the driver up and running for you. Thanks very much for watching the video.